If Photopea is giving you errors on Windows, don't worry, because in this video I'll show you a few quick fixes that can solve the most common problems in just a few minutes. Whether Photopea is not loading, showing a white screen, freezing, or giving you memory warnings while editing large files, these steps can help you get back to work fast. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software fixes and step-by-step guides. Alright, let's start with the first fix. Test Photopea in Incognito mode. Open your browser and launch a private or incognito window, then go to Photopea again. This is a great way to check whether one of your browser extensions is causing the issue. Sometimes extensions interfere with web apps without you realizing it, especially ad blockers, script blockers, or privacy tools. If Photopea works in incognito mode, that usually means the problem is with a browser extension, not Photopea itself. Next, disable your ad blocker or whitelist Photopea. If you're using extensions like uBlock Origin, AdBlock, or anything similar, pause it temporarily and refresh the page. In some cases, Photopea can display a white screen, fail to load parts of the interface, or stop responding because an ad blocker is blocking important scripts or resources. If disabling the extension fixes the issue, go into the extension settings and add Photopea to the whitelist so it can run properly in the future. Now let's move on to clearing site data. This is one of the most effective fixes when a website keeps glitching, loading incorrectly, or behaving strangely. In Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, click the site settings icon next to the address bar while you're on Photopea, then find the option to clear cookies and site data. After clearing that data, reload the page and sign back in if needed. This can remove corrupted session files, old cache data, or broken permissions that may be causing the error. If you're editing large PSD files and you see an out of RAM warning or the browser starts slowing down, the next step is to free up system memory. Close heavy apps you're not using, shut down extra browser tabs, and give Windows as much available RAM as possible. Photopea runs in the browser, so if your computer is under pressure from too many open programs, it can struggle to keep up. If possible, save your work, close background tasks, and then reopen Photopea with fewer tabs and apps running. Another great troubleshooting step is to switch browsers. If Photopea is failing in one browser, try opening it in another one such as Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. This helps you isolate whether the problem is coming from the browser itself, an extension, or a local software conflict on your Windows PC. A browser switch is especially useful if one browser works fine while another keeps freezing or showing errors. It's a simple test, but it can save you a lot of time. If you've gone through all of these steps, Photopea should be much more stable on Windows. Most issues come down to an extension conflict, corrupted site data, low memory, or a browser-specific problem. So the best approach is to test incognito, disable ad blockers, clear the site data, free up RAM, and then try another browser if needed. That combination fixes a lot of Photopea problems without requiring any advanced setup. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick fixes, tutorials, and software tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.